ChatGPT Meta AI is enough for studying the truth reveals. Yes, welcome to How to Do. I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we're gonna talk about it that is studying using AI is good for our mental health or for our education. First of all, I'm a professionally teacher from last 10 years, and what I think about it. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe channel for getting more videos like this, and you are involved in this conversation. That what do you think about it? Don't forget to comment down below. First of all, what I think, AI is a good tool for studying, and you can use it for a lot of works, and you can get help instantly using your mobile phone or your devices. But keep in mind that whatever we see in the classroom, whatever we do in the classroom, whatever we play in the classroom, that is very important. But before proceeding, before I give you my verdicts, let's ask something to the chat gtp itself. Let's go. This is AI enough for studying? That's over here. Yes, it's a good tool for studying, but keep in mind that it can give you summarized information, generating study guidance, explaining concepts, and personalized learning and efficiency boost. And you can ask questions, you can take tests or over here. But keep in mind that critical thinking, it can't be and develop deep analyst skills for you, understanding concepts but context, but you have to need any teacher for this hand on practice. Yes, writing practice is not available on the ais, so you have to do it yourself, so that you learn how to solve some, how to get answer of any questions. Creativity and organizability. Yes, if you keep on asking anything everything from chat gtp, you never generate any personal insights. And if you don't do this, you don't have any creative mindset, you can't do anything like this. Accuracy is, because this is the biggest issue for ai, because ai is a websites learned machinery system, so that machine learning is not that capable of our human minds. Because keep in mind that if you see anything wrong in information on 5 to 10 websites, and ai will start thinking that this is not a misinformation, this is very accurate. So keep in mind that. And what I want to say over here is playing is very important. And I think talking with students, teachers, friends is very important. Classroom behavior, your behavior of purchasing, selling or borrowing things is very important. Helping each other very important. And sitting on a chair and keep on studying, it destroys your physical and mental health. So keep in mind that it is not very good idea for you. You can take help from this, but being a human being, you can't be only on ai, because ai is not that enough for study. You need a proper college, teacher and schools for studying, because it can ruin your life if you be very dependent on ai. What I think. Don't forget to comment down below what do you think about it. Like, share, subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this.